nwere akụkọ nkọlụ unu one day ebe nsi unu na nwoke butelu HI wee butesie dis HI wee mee gịnị wee hide anya wee na-ese nwunye ibongi nwunye ya wee na-aya ọgba nkịtị nwunye ya wee na-aya ọgba nkịtị wee yagide nwụkata ọgwụ Igbo nwụkata si na enyere ya nsị si nọ kansa si nọ nke nwa HIV o sikwa nke a ọ pụọ nke a mgbe ndị mmadụ ji wee gwabazi anya jebezie ụlọ ọgwụ ịghọta na o wee lụọ ọ bụrụ na ife anụnwa egwuru ogoto ese ịghọta na mana nke dị ka nọkwa na HI mana duto na ọgwarịa dis woman wee jebe ịghọta na ya nkọsiala unu destin one guy bịa na my comment section chimada Igbo ma ndọkwa kịta ashọ ihe a na-ekwu ma nke onye ka eme ofu kọrọ maka ya nsị a na ọbụrụ nke onye ka eme efe maka na onye ka kọsịrị nke ọsọsọ dị umeanụ nwụrụ mana nke nkọlụ unu bụ na gịnị mee na the HI emekwụgo ụmụaka na-aba affect ọsị eni ache na ebe a na-aṅụ ọgwụ na nwunye ya ma mbutie na mgbe ife wekilisi ime iwo na o mesiri jọba nwunye si a ka ọ nọzalụ n'ebe o butegoro enye ahapụrụ ya maka na dị umeanụ sị na ya chọrọzi m ga-eti ilu unu dị vidio ka unu gee mana ọkwa na English ịghọtago maka nke nwa m chọrọ iti ilu unu vidiyo bụ onye ọcha ka o mere ya onye ọcha onye ojii ka o mere so achọrọ m ka unu ga-enye ka unu welu ntị unu nụrụ from this very lady ife di emelie a sị na nwoke nwere right ịkwụghalị mana nwaanyị enwere right ịkwụghalị ịghọtago maka na fado polygamous in nature ọ bụrụ na ịchọ ọgba dị gị nkịtị ka ọ na-akwụgharị ọ bụ enyi gị nwoke nkịtị ọ bụrụ na fabute ọya fegbuo gị daset ya bughee gị ịghọta fabughee gị even the worst part bụ na fa ama ngwa gị mgbe fa butere ọya afọ maka na fado polygamous in nature so ịchọ hapụ di gị ka ọ kwụgharịba ahụ mana ọ bụrụ na o bute ọya nwa ife o mere gị anwa na anwa kpọọ polygamous in nature anwa na anwa sị na ọkwa ụmụ nwoke dị maka na ọ bụrụ ụmụ nwoke niile anwa na anwa sị nọọ ịmago na ụmụ nwoke na fancha niile na-akwụgharị ọ bụrụ eziokwu onye ọbụla gwa gị na nwoke niile na-akwụgharị sigburu onwe ya na asị ịghọtara na unu atagizi na mmadụ niile polygamous in nature asị ka ọ bụ enwe decent honest good men everywhere nọ nke nwetara o nwere ndị nwere uche ife iji ya ama na ụfọdụ enwere uche bụ ọ bụgodo na ị ga-akwụgharịba rọ to the point na ibutela ọya bunye nwunye gị imagine ọdụ ka onye afọ nwere uche ya nwere ọgụgụ isi nwere ife dị ya n'isi empty brain ịghọtara na gwa m ka ị ga-esi manage such person so ka unu ga-enye ike ọgwụ
I am HIV positive, and how I got it will shock you. I've been married to my husband for a long time. We've got 3 children together. I'm currently pregnant with the 4th child right now. I go to my routine checks. They ask that you have to do, STDs and any sexual transmitted diseases test, for the safety of me and the child. So at first I was skeptical, but then I said, what have I got to lose? Because this is to protect me and the unborn child and also my other children and my husband. So I said, yeah, that's fine. The doctors did the test. They come out to tell me that, madam, I'm really sorry, but you are HIV positive. Yeah, I was in so much shock, disbelief, because I have never, ever, ever slept with any other man except my husband. He's the only man that I have only ever been with. So I've never had any other boyfriends. He's the first man that I've been with. So I'm thinking, are you sure this is not a mix-up? This isn't a mistake that you've done. They said we are positive, ma'am. They go back and rerun the test again. It comes out saying you are positive. So I'm bawling my eyes out. I'm crying uncontrollable. I'm rolling on the floor. I'm screaming because I'm shocked. How could I possibly be HIV positive when I've never ever slept with any other man except my own husband? So I'm like in disbelief. I'm just like, I can't believe it. So I'm thinking like all sorts of ways, maybe somehow, how the heck did I contract it? I just don't know. So the doctors tell me that, listen, you need to calm down. After they try calming me down, And they sit me down, they said, listen, there's a way forward. This is not the end. They've got, medication that you could take, which are ARVs. So you can take them. You need to go home, sit down, talk to your husband, and bring your husband and the rest of your other children in for testing. So after talking to the doctors, I went home. I waited, my husband got back home from work, and I sat him down and told him everything. He was even more shocked than I was. And, he was thinking, how could this, happen? And I'm sitting there thinking exact same thing that I asked, because I do not know. And he knows that I am loyal. I have also thought that he was loyal as well to me. Anyway, after telling him, he's telling me that he doesn't want to go for the test. And I'm sitting here thinking, but you have to, because if you are, you need to go on the medication. So you have to go with me on the next routine check. He tried convincing me, telling me that there's no need, he's been loyal and there's no need for him to go for this test. So I left it at that. So I decided to take my children to test because my husband is refusing. We get to the clinic, they did the test, and it came out that all 3 children are HIV positive. I'm even more gobsmacked. I'm even screaming and shouting and thinking, what in the world is going on? I'm thinking maybe during the birth processing, maybe the instrument weren't sterilized. I'm in denial. I'm thinking this is not right because I have been loyal. So how have I caught it? So I'm in shock. I'm sitting there, stuff running through my mind, my brain. I'm going crazy. I'm going insane about this whole situation because I'm trying to figure out how on earth have I got HIV and my 3 other children have got it as well. So the doctor said, listen, you need to bring your husband in. I explained to him that, listen, I've tried, and he's saying that there's no need for him to do because he's been faithful and loyal. And I said to him that, yeah, but since I've got it, maybe you've gotten it too. He said no. The doctors then said, don't worry, we will contact him. So they contacted my husband, and eventually he said, yes, I will go. We go to the appointment. One of the nurses recognized him. So he tried to pretend, and then the lady then asked, are you still taking your medication? So I said, dear, medication is this nurse talking about? So he sat there looking confused. And I said, okay, what are you talking about? I asked the nurse. And the nurse is trying to then tell me, and he stopped the nurse, broke down into tears, and told me that I'm really sorry. I've been cheating on you with so many different women, and I ended up catching HIV. I got tested and I found out 6 years ago. But I couldn't bring myself to tell you. I've been on the medication all this time, and I didn't think that you would end up catching it. So I'm sat there thinking, how could you be so selfish? You Ingrid, you he-goat. How could you, keep this as a secret to yourself, thinking that you can just hide it and I wouldn't contract it? Now, it's not just me. There's 3 of our children who've actually contracted it. There's also this unborn child that we're not even certain if that child is also going to contract it or not. And you're telling me that you were on the medication, hence the reason why you didn't think that you had to tell me, because you didn't think that we would end up catching it. So I'm gobsmacked. And I said, listen, I need to see for my own self. So I said the test needs to be done. Yes, you might say, but why? I need to actually see for myself. I went in and they did the test, and it came out he is positive. So the doctors are telling us that we can go on the ARV medication as well, and also to take necessary precautions and stuff. I'm thinking, what precautions? Because at the end of the day, we've all got it. So what precautions is there to then take? I actually has filed for divorce as we speak now. He's telling me that there's no need to go overboard because I've already got it now. So what difference does it make? So I might as well just stick with him. I'm sitting there thinking, so you're still selfish. You're actually still thinking about yourself and not even me and the children, what you have put in us through. Ladies, gentlemen, please be careful HIV is real. It doesn't matter how you trust your partner, how long you've been with, and you think that they'll never do this thing to you. Please go for regular checkups. Please, for your own and your children's safety, go for regular checkups.
Hapụ na anụ gị unu anụrụ ya na ọkwa unu nụrụ from ọnụ this lady ọ ife nwoke melụ nwunye unu pụta na na-asị m men are polygamous in nature. Men can cheat but women cannot cheat. Ya sịkwa nke ọ pụọ nke nkịta ga-alachapụ gị anya. Nkịta ga-alacha gị anya. Asịra m gị cheating, but if you cheat, don't come close to me. That is the only thing. When I start cheating, I will not come close to you. Ịghọta omete bulu ọ bụrụ ịkwụghalịsịa n'ilo ibukwelie batakwa n'ụlọ chụbakwa ibon gị mgbe iji wee chọba ibon gị n'ezi gosi na ozurulu gị n'ụlọ yọda na then go out and enjoy it. Eat it as much as you want. Don't come back to me. A na-akọghịlị. If you want, you learn. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ hapụ fanafado polygamous in nature. A na-akọghịlị. Ndị be anyị daalụ ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ.